If you're looking for innovative ways to achieve next-level performance within your manufacturing facility, then you should take a closer look at the newest innovations in fixed industrial scanning and machine vision from Zebra. Automation Distribution has partnered with Zebra to help our customers meet their automation design goals with innovative solutions that shorten timelines, increase production, and raise quality expectations. Zebra's fixed industrial and machine vision scanners combine two revolutionary technologies on one software platform, allowing you to track and trace with precision and streamline inspection processes. Full automation allows you to gather key data throughout operations, while smart cameras capture and analyze quality standards in real time. So if you're ready to optimize quality control processes and achieve next-level performance throughout your facility, contact Automation Distribution to learn more today.